Today I'll be talking about a very common cosmetic surgery, a very small cosmetic surgery but a common cosmetic surgery, ear lobule repair. Ear lobule repair is required because of torn earlobes, heavy earrings or sometimes a trauma. So what are the reasons why earlobe repair is required? There can be torn earlobes because of some pulling or any injury. There can be overstretched earlobes because of heavy earrings, and sometimes there can be keloids because of some trivial injury over the earlobe. So earlobe repair are required during these conditions. What do we do? It is done under local anesthesia. We give a block over the ears and we remove the damaged tissue, and then we take aesthetically pleasing sutures to make sure that the ear lobule shape is restored and the healing is best, and the patient can wear as soon as possible the earrings. Wearing earrings is very important in Indian culture for all females. Plastic surgeons make sure the scarring is bare minimum and the aesthetics of the ear lobules are maintained, because in Indian culture, as I told you, ear shape is very important. The first thing which is noticed in a lot of females is their ear lobules. Post-operatively, there are stitches which are removed on day 12 or 13 after surgery. The patient is told to make sure that they apply some basic antiseptic cream to make sure that there is no infection. What are the benefits of this surgery? You get an aesthetically better earlobe. You can wear the earrings as soon as possible, and very important, torn ear lobules can be a matter of embarrassment, so self-confidence and self-esteem is restored after this surgery. It's overall a safe surgery, daycare surgery. You can just walk in, get the surgery done and go back home. It's a safe surgery commonly done by a plastic surgeon to make sure the scarring is bare minimum. Thanks for watching. If you